Sometimes life doesn't break you. It simply gives you a chance to rebuild. And as we move toward 2026, this is your moment to pause, to breathe, and to finally say, this time it's going to be different. Because deep down, you already know something powerful. You are not starting from zero. You are starting from experience. Think about it. Everything you went through in 2024 and 2025, the failures, the disappointments, the heartbreak, the confusion, the days you felt lost, none of it was wasted. Every moment was preparing you for who you're about to become. You didn't survive for no reason. You survived because your future still needs you, because a stronger, wiser, and more focused version of you is waiting on the other side of your fear. The truth is, rebuilding yourself isn't about becoming someone new. It's about stripping away the layers of doubt, the noise of others, the weight of expectations, and returning to who you were always meant to be. It's about remembering your power, your hunger, your purpose. And 2026 is the year you rise again, but this time intentionally. So ask yourself, what do you really want this year? What kind of life do you see when you close your eyes? Not the life others expect from you, but the one your soul keeps whispering about when the world is quiet. Your dreams are not random. They are your inner voice guiding you toward who you can still become. But rebuilding doesn't start with motivation. It starts with honesty. It starts the moment you stop lying to yourself about the habits that drain you, the people who distract you, the fears that cage you. The moment you take responsibility for everything, the wins, the losses, the choices, the consequences, that's the moment your new life begins. Responsibility is not punishment. It is freedom, and here's the truth most people ignore. Rebuilding yourself doesn't require giant leaps. It requires small, consistent steps that align with the person you want to become. Wake up a bit earlier, train your mind, train your body, protect your energy, become disciplined in private so you can become unstoppable in public. You don't need perfection, you need progress. Slow progress is still progress, and every small step you take in 2025 will explode into success in 2026. Remember this, you're not behind, you're not late. You are exactly where you need to be to begin again. Life didn't delay you, it prepared you. Life didn't break you, it reshaped you. The storms you faced didn't destroy you, they revealed what you're capable of. And when 2026 arrives, people will look at you and wonder how you did it. They will think it happened overnight. They won't see the nights you kept going. They won't see the doubts you fought, the tears you wiped away, the habits you built, the strength you chose again and again. They won't see the silent battles, but you will, and that's what will make your success unforgettable. So today, make a promise to yourself. This year I rise. This year I rebuild with purpose. This year I choose discipline over excuses, effort over fear, growth over comfort. This year I become the version of myself I've always dreamed about. And if you're listening to this right now, remember the future is not something you wait for. It's something you create. Your 2026 success won't be luck. It will be a result of your daily choices, your determination, your belief in your own potential. Start today, start small, start messy, just start. Because once you begin, momentum will carry you, confidence will grow, clarity will appear, and soon, you will look back and realize that rebuilding yourself was the greatest gift you ever gave your future. Now breathe, stand tall, and move forward with purpose. Your new chapter is waiting. And the world is not ready for the person you're about to become. If this message inspired you, don't keep it to yourself, share it, and join me on this journey to transform your mindset, rebuild your identity, and unlock your greatness. Subscribe to Modify Yourself, because together, we will make 2026 the year you rise higher than ever before. Your time is now. Let's rebuild. Let's rise. Let's create the life you deserve.